Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial, we would learn how can we fill down in Microsoft Excel worksheet. So to do this, what we have to do is guys, we have to first select the cell, or we can select the multiple of cell that we want to fill with the same digit. So what does it mean? First we have to select the cell, like this is the cell D5, and suppose this 5 we want to fill it here in the downside. So after selecting the cell, just click on home, and in this home ribbon, in this editing group, just click on fill followed by down, and as you can see, the number which is above that cell is filled to its down that we selected. Similarly, you can just do with the multiple of cell, like I'm selecting this 5 8 9 8 8. Get it? So after selecting this, 5 will be filled to all the cell that we have selected, the topmost cell. Get it? Like here I'm selecting home, and again just in the editing group click fill down. As you can see guys, it's filled in this selected cell. Similarly, you can do this with the shortcuts we have. The shortcuts are just select the multiple of cell. I'm selecting this much, and after selecting, just press Ctrl plus D, and as you can see guys, the selected cell is converted into the first select that we selected. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.